All right, the reveal. I'll take you through kind of how to set it up. If you watched my previous video, there's the other light. This is the new one that I just put up. Do we have enough light? Bang. Whew. J-Bros is getting going. Rocky says it's good. Max says it's good. So there's that one. There's that one. I am loving this. I couldn't be happier with waiting for these lights. Like I said, right now what I did, I bought that original light there for 42 bucks. What I ended up doing to actually make it cheaper yet, I bought this 3-pack right here. The reason why I did this is I wanted some more of those outside ones, and I wanted extra bulbs because if the bulbs do burn out at some random time, I want to have spare bulbs that are identical. Anyway, I bought 2 3-packers because I was like, okay, they're like, let's just say they're 30 bucks. But I wanted some more cords like this because I'm hardwired throughout the whole entire shop, so I wanted some more of these. Little did I know, I bought 2 of these. These have 28 grids in here. So I bought 2 of those. 28 grids times 2, 54? No, 56. Well, when I counted out everything, I basically needed 68 of these grids through to do my whole entire shop here. Anyway, what you can do, it doesn't really matter what size you get. Obviously, the bigger grid system you get, the cheaper they're going to be. So each one of these 28 grids, I want to say was $250. So 250 bucks, 250 bucks, that's 500 bucks. I bought this one here for 30 and the one sitting over there for 30. So 500 bucks, 560. This one right here, I paid $40 for to do my whole entire shop and have spare bulbs. $600. That is ridiculous. Plus, it's so darn easy to hook up yourself. I'm just mesmerized. The only thing right now, I'm not 100% certain on what I'm going to do is what should I do here. I am hardwired for 2 more of these sets right here, but I just don't know. I think the coolest part about this system is you can just start going with it and say, because I contemplated just having a single run straight across and just not using both plugs because I don't need to, because they're all intertwined, so one of them could just stay capped off. But yeah, anyway, main purpose of this video is to once again show you how easy it is, because every other lighting system that I looked for my garage, it was at least minimum $1,000 for all the lights. Minimum $1,000 for the lights. And I didn't even like those lights because they were just, let's just say, just a straight strip. And kind of, I don't want to diss the electricians or nothing, but kind of what they wanted to put in was 8-foot strips. And they were like, let's just say $180 a piece. And I just didn't want to spend that much money. And then on top of it, I would have had them install it. So not only the bulbs and the labor, let's say it would have been $3,000. So with all that being said, I'm doing everything myself for $600. I think it's a great deal. I'll link in the description down below. And like I said, look at this. Thing comes packed with bulbs. So from here to here is packed with bulbs. And this is the hardware kit. And if I didn't already mention, which I believe I did, like I said, in that 28 box, well, it's in here somewhere. Oh, it fell down here. It came with 3 of these cords. So, yeah, there's that. And these are different surface mounting stuff for there. They come with zip ties for a different mounting system. So yeah, like I said, $250, you're getting 28 of those grids. I think that's a great deal. But anyway, please like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions. But we are finally with lights. What is it? 2 years later? Yeah, 2 years later, finally got lights in my shop. But we're gonna keep going all around and holler back. And then the cool part is, when I get this wall blacked out over here, I got a fun surprise for you that I've probably had for a year. But anyway, J-Bro's out. All right, just about to put the finishing touches on this section, so that would be that section and this section. So